All right, here's the back. We've got that cloth stuff or whatever down. I can still smell it. I guess they covered the pipes up with gravel and then with this cloth, so it's sucking up all that oil. With the pipes leading out. We've got this covered up too. Now they've sucked up all that grease that was flowing through here. I guess it's sucked up into the cloth stuff and the gravel or whatever. There's still a bunch in the ground, you can see. It's just soaked into the ground and into this cloth and the gravel. You can still see all kinds of it. They actually put some clean outs in this time, which they didn't have the last time. So that's where we're at here. There's still all kinds of this crap that's under the paper or cloth or whatever. You can see it even on top of the cloth. See it down in the mud there, still seeping into the ground all around. All right, so heading out towards the back. Look out, kitty. Alright, so this is where it leads out to the back drain pipe. I'm going to probably leave all this crap there. There's still all kinds of that. Look at it. Seeping into the ground. There's some kind of pipe sticking out here. I don't know what the heck that is. It comes out from the septic field. Now, I don't know what it originally was. If that's where they had the drain hooked up or what, I don't know. Anyway, apparently they're going to grade this some more, sloping downwards. And this is heading out to the road to where it's going to drain. Look at all the crap. I'm sure they're going to bury all this garbage again. And this is where it leads out to Ryder Road. So I guess they're going to hook up to this and send it all. Let's see if I can get up this damn hill without killing myself. We're going to send it out here through this pipe and then down to that other one that I already showed you, and then down the hill towards the creek. So that's where it's coming from. It's going to come this way, out here, down to the creek.